Hey, what's up everybody? So sometimes when we're out hunting, we either don't have the space or we don't want to carry the weight of a full-size first aid kit. And that's totally fine. However, it'd be foolish to go out in the woods to hunt without these bare essentials. And those bare essentials, the absolute minimum you're going to want to carry on your person is an emergency pressure bandage, quick clot hemostatic dressing, a tourniquet, and 2 chest seals. So they're very easily packable. They don't weigh that much. And again, this is the bare minimum. These are the bare bones that you're gonna wanna keep on your person out in the woods. So to make it convenient for you, we put all these items into the little, what we call EDC or everyday carry kit. It's a super small, compact bag. If you wanted, you could use the MOLLE straps here for MOLLE gear. You can strap it onto your belt, your vest, whatever the case may be. So again, don't be foolish. Make sure you have all these things on your person when you head out in the woods. Take care, stay safe. We'll see you in the woods.